The power of any city lies in its people, and the power of Hyderabad lies in us Hyderabadis. And I only want to sincerely appeal to all the Hyderabadis. Let us not get carried away by this political narrative, but let us think who is the most responsible party today in this GHMC elections. I am here to sincerely urge and appeal to all my fellow Hyderabadis to think very, very clearly and responsibly and in detail before casting a vote on this election. From 2014, after the formation of Telangana, it is you people of Hyderabadis who wanted TRS to be in power in Hyderabad. And in the last 6 years, I am very proud to say TRS government has not disappointed any one of the Hyderabadis. It could be starting from 24 hours power supply to 24 hours water supply to amazing road network to flyovers to open spaces to parks to making sure no poor goes hungry. To making sure bringing in world-class investment. Everything was achieved in these 6 years as a bundle for our Hyderabadis. I sincerely want to appeal that it is you who made it possible for TRS to be in power all these 6 years. So responsibly our government could work for the development of Hyderabad. I only want to reappeal to all of you that if you support us TRS party in this upcoming election, the development process can be furthered with a greater vigor. A responsible party being the one who understands the needs of the people, who constantly thrives to work very hard to make sure to put Hyderabad on the world map. TRS party has done that under the Honorable KCR Garu's leadership and KTR Garu's dynamic execution. We've made sure that Mercer, an international agency, ranked Hyderabad to be one of the best livable cities in this country for last consecutive 5 years. If this is not the proof of how the TRS government has worked so far, then what can be, I don't know. So I sincerely, kindly urge all my Hyderabadis just to think about how safe we are today, how the law and order is today in this city, how we have progressed so far from the past 6 years, how our roads are much better than the last 6 years. I only want you to give us one other chance so that this development can continue. Thank you so much. Please give it a good thought before you vote. Vote for a responsible party. Vote for CAR. Vote for KCR.